Alright, so have you ever seen those pixel art games that are not really pixel art? They're more like upscale graphics, sprites, I meant to say. How is a pixel art if your sprite is like, I don't know, 1280 by 1024? That makes no sense to me. So this is why I went ahead and made this 220 by 240 pixel art game. The graphics look atrocious, but I mean, is that why we play games? Because the graphics look good? Or do we play games because okay, never mind, I'll stop making excuses. So yeah, this is gonna have like 8 levels, and the first level I'll have the source code on my itch.io page, so you can download it. Yeah, if you want to buy the game when it's completed, you can. There will also be a link down below. It's literally gonna be the best game you have ever seen in your entire life. No, seriously, it's gonna be like the best game ever. 8 levels, yeah, I mean, yeah, man, it's gonna be $2, guys. We're on a production budget here. I'll post some updates and let you know how this game is going. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Oh yeah, by the way, there is a like and subscribe button down below. If you click on it, you get to save a kitten. Yeah, that's what happens. Bye now.